Elegance transcends mere physical appearance. It's an embodiment of grace, poise, and self-assuredness. For trans women, navigating the journey to elegance involves both external and internal refinement. Habits play a pivotal role in shaping how one is perceived and how one perceives oneself. This video aims to highlight 15 bad habits that can detract from your elegance and offers practical advice on avoiding them. Embracing elegance is about more than just aesthetics. It's about confidence, respect, and self-love. Number 1, poor posture. Good posture is foundational to elegance. Slouching not only affects your appearance, but also your health and confidence. Poor posture can lead to back pain, headaches, and fatigue. Standing tall with your shoulders back and head held high exudes confidence and poise. To improve posture, practice exercises that strengthen your core and back muscles, such as yoga or Pilates. Additionally, be mindful of your posture throughout the day, whether you're sitting at a desk or walking down the street. Number 2, neglecting personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is crucial for both self-respect and social interactions. Daily routines such as showering, brushing teeth, and using deodorant are non-negotiable. Pay special attention to areas that can easily be overlooked, like your nails and feet. Well-maintained hygiene not only keeps you fresh, but also boosts your Invest in good quality products that suit your skin type and hair texture, and consider regular grooming appointments to stay polished and neat. Number 3, overusing makeup. Makeup should enhance your natural beauty, not mask it. Overusing makeup can lead to a cakey, unnatural look that detracts from elegance. The key is to find a balance. Focus on creating a smooth, even complexion and accentuating your best features subtly. Avoid heavy foundations and opt for lighter, buildable products. Remember, less is often more. A natural, polished look is more sophisticated and timeless. Additionally, ensure that your makeup matches the occasion. Daytime looks should be lighter and more subtle than evening makeup. Number 4, wearing ill-fitting clothes. Clothes that fit well are essential to looking elegant. Ill-fitting garments can make you appear sloppy and uncomfortable. Take the time to find clothes that flatter your body shape and size. Tailoring is a valuable investment. Even a simple dress can look chic and elegant when it fits perfectly. Know your measurements and shop accordingly, avoiding impulse buys that don't suit your figure. A well-curated wardrobe with a few high-quality pieces is better than a closet full of items that don't fit or flatter you. Number 5, using crude language. The way you speak profoundly impacts how others perceive you. Crude or inappropriate language can tarnish an otherwise elegant demeanor. Cultivate a refined vocabulary and be mindful of your language, especially in professional and social settings. Practice speaking clearly and thoughtfully, avoiding slang or overly casual expressions. Reading widely and engaging in meaningful conversations can help you develop a more polished way of speaking. Number 6, poor table manners. Good table manners are a hallmark of elegance. Eating with your mouth open, speaking with food in your mouth, or using utensils improperly can leave a negative impression. Familiarize yourself with basic dining etiquette. Chew with your mouth closed, use utensils correctly, and engage in polite conversation. Practicing good table manners shows respect for your companions and enhances your overall elegance. Remember to pace yourself and enjoy your meal mindfully. Number 7, ignoring skincare. A glowing complexion is a sign of health and elegance. Neglecting your skin can lead to issues like dryness, acne, and premature aging. Establish a daily skincare routine tailored to your skin type. This should include cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen. Regular exfoliation and hydration are also important. Invest in quality skincare products and consider seeing a dermatologist for personalized advice. Consistent care will keep your skin looking fresh and radiant. Number 8, wearing inappropriate footwear. Shoes are a critical component of your overall look. Wearing inappropriate or uncomfortable footwear can ruin even the most elegant outfit. Choose shoes that are stylish yet comfortable and appropriate for the occasion. Pay attention to the fit, ensuring they provide adequate support. Regular foot care, including pedicures and moisturizing, is also essential. Well-maintained feet and well-chosen shoes contribute significantly to your elegance. Number 9, lack of social etiquette. Social etiquette extends beyond table manners to all interactions. Knowing how to introduce yourself, engage in polite conversation, and greet others appropriately is crucial. Practice active listening, making eye contact, and showing genuine interest in others. Be mindful of your behavior in various settings, from formal events to casual gatherings. Politeness and respect for others' boundaries are key aspects of social etiquette that enhance your elegance. Number 10, over-accessorizing. Accessories should complement your outfit, not overpower it. Over-accessorizing can make you appear cluttered and disorganized. Choose accessories that enhance your look, focusing on quality rather than quantity. A simple necklace, a pair of elegant earrings, or a classic watch can add a touch of sophistication without overwhelming your appearance. Coordinate your accessories with your outfit to create a harmonious, polished look. Number 11, neglecting grooming. Regular grooming is essential for a neat and tidy appearance. This includes haircuts, hair removal, and nail care. Neglecting grooming can make you look unkempt and less elegant. Schedule regular grooming appointments and establish routines that keep you looking your best. Pay attention to small details like trimming stray hairs and maintaining clean, well-shaped nails. Grooming is not just about appearance. It's also about feeling confident and put together. Number 12, displaying negative body language. Body language is a powerful communicator. Negative body language, such as crossing your arms, avoiding eye contact, or fidgeting, can make you seem unapproachable or insecure. Practice positive body language. Maintain eye contact, smile, and use open, welcoming gestures. Stand and sit with confidence and be movements. Positive body language not only makes you appear more elegant, but also boosts your self-confidence. Number 13, speaking loudly or abruptly. The way you speak affects your elegance. Speaking too loudly or abruptly can be jarring and off-putting. Cultivate a soft, pleasant speaking voice by practicing speaking slowly and clearly. Modulate your tone and volume according to the situation. Being aware of how you speak can make interactions more pleasant and enhance your overall elegance. Remember, a gentle, thoughtful approach to conversation is always more appealing. Number 14, being disorganized. Disorganization affects both your personal efficiency and how others perceive you. Clutter and chaos can undermine your elegance. Develop habits that help you stay organized, such as keeping a tidy living space, planning your outfits, and managing your time effectively. Use tools like planners or digital apps to keep track of your schedule and tasks. An organized life allows you to focus on what's important and present yourself as a calm, collected individual. Number 15, failing to listen. Active listening is a crucial component of effective communication and elegance. Failing to listen can make you seem self-centered and dismissive. Practice listening attentively, making eye contact and responding thoughtfully. Show genuine interest in what others are saying and avoid interrupting. Good listening skills foster deeper connections and demonstrate respect and empathy, enhancing your elegance. Elegance is a blend of many qualities, from physical appearance to the way you interact with others. By avoiding these 15 bad habits, you can cultivate a more refined and elegant persona. Remember, elegance is not about perfection, but about continuous improvement and self-awareness. Embrace these practices mindfully, and you'll find yourself growing in confidence and grace, truly embodying the essence of an elegant trans woman. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request for you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.